Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got OPPO Pad Air, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's tap on the language and region and tap on actually, you do not have to tap. As you can see here, we've got the list of currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on edit. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically, just find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. I will pick German, so let's tap on this plus icon. And as you can see, your device will ask you if you want to set the chosen language as a default one. So let me tap on yes. And as we can see, after a second, the German language will appear at the very top of this list, right above the English. And from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let's try to change it again to the English just by swiping the positions. So let me tap on the English, tap on it and hold it, of course, and then drag it to the first one. As you can see, your device will ask you if you want to change, if you want to replace the system language. So let me tap on it, and as you can see, the English has been applied. So basically, you've got two different ways to change the language. You can simply tap on this plus icon. However, if you've got it currently added to this list, you can just reorder the languages. If you want to remove the language from this list, just tap on this minus icon here. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your OPPO Pad Air. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.